Just warming the place up right now. I got my heat lamp, got a little space heater, I got some hot water, I got some sharp knives, and I'm going to take the back off of this archtop. First thing I need to do is just score around the binding on top and bottom. Just score the finish and then try to work that binding off. My goal here is to get that off in one piece, and then I can start removing the back. I knew I was going to cut the wrong side at some point. I had dreams and nightmares about it. Sure enough, just for about this far, but still, I scored the surface on the top. I'm working on the back. Damn it. Get it straight. You know, somebody suggested this to me, and I was very reluctant to use this, but I gotta get some heat on there, and I'm just gonna start on a low setting and see if I can get it just to the right temperature. It's tough to get it popped out because it's behind this little heel. I'm actually thinking of making a little cut right there just to get it started so I can start pulling it away. Okay. There were those couple of spots. Look at this spot right there. You can see they did some sort of repair with some funky glue there, and I think somewhere around here. Okay, the binding is off. Now to work the back. You don't hear that cracking like the glue's letting go sound. I wonder if they glued these blocks with epoxy. Well, it looks like the top of that heel block might be coming off with part of this top. We're just going to accept that. We're just going to run with that. Because that might not be the worst thing in the world. Here we go. Gonna take it off. The moment of truth. There's that. Let's see what went on with the blocks. There's some kind of green. There's something, a different kind of glue there. It's green. I don't know what's up with that. Okay, so there's the back. Now the inside. A whole rat's nest going on here. There are some numbers here. 3637 1423. Could be a 1937. Again, you're always up and at it. I wanted to see what this was. Let's see it through the back. It looks like they put some kind of linen. Like they lined it with a linen. And then they have two braces. Okay. But this is the real problem here. Same number stamped here. 3637. Coincides over here. 3197. It's a 7005 is a model number. Who knows what that is? On the finished side, it's missing some chunks. I do have some pieces. So let's see how much I actually have. So let me get back to this, and I'll see if I can put this jigsaw puzzle back together somehow.